Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable floating keyboard on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, a floating keyboard can sometimes obstruct the view of your screen, making it difficult to see the content you are typing. Disabling it allows for a more comfortable and unobstructed typing experience. And also, floating keyboards can be accidentally moved around the screen, which might be distracting or inconvenient. Disabling it ensures that the keyboard remains fixed at the bottom of the screen, providing a stable typing environment. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Okay, to disable the floating keyboard, first display the keyboard on your device. Okay, and then locate the straight line at the bottom of the keyboard. After that, press and hold the line, and then drag it downwards until the line reaches the bottom of the screen, and then release it. This action will deactivate the floating keyboard mode and return the keyboard to its default position. By following the steps, you can easily switch between floating and standard keyboard to suit your preferences and typing needs. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to disable floating keyboard on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.